Are you financially broke, or you need extra income? This video is for you. Stay tuned and watch this video till the end, so that you might not miss the bonus of this video on how you make passive income. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share, so that you might not miss my other videos. There are several ways on how to make money online, but most sites claiming to pay money for your work, 80% are fake. Let's get started. The number one way to make money online is by creating a YouTube channel and monetizing the channel. You can monetize your channel after having 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch time or watch hours. The number two way of making money online is by doing affiliate marketing. Are you following? Let's continue. Today's video I will be talking mainly about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Meaning that you sell others people product, and every sale you make you will be given commission. That's as mind-blowing. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share. Let's continue. The concept of revenue sharing, paying commission for referred business, predates affiliate marketing and the internet. The translation of the revenue share principles to mainstream e-commerce happened in November 1994. So let's dive into the main point. Are you interested? I think yes. There are different types of affiliate marketing. CPA, which means cost per acquisition. CPC meaning cost per click, CPS cost per sale. Today we are talking about CPS today. There are different types of CPS affiliate site. Number 1, clickbank.com. Number 2, warriorplus.com. Number 3, digital24.com. Clickbank is a affiliate marketing site that you sell other people products and gain money. Warrior Plus and Digital24 is just like Clickbank. But ClickBank is just the best. But in other countries except from USA you can use your PayPal account for your money to be credited in. You can start collecting email today and start sending products on ClickBank to them, and if they buy the product you're rendering to them, you'll be given commission of at least $10 upward, per person. Let's calculate the simple maths. 10 times 100. That's as $1,000 for just 100 person. That's as mind-blowing. And don't forget, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share. And if you are broke, that is the way to make money easily. And the bonus tips. Click on the description to learn how to make money online, for listening to music for just a little bucks. Click on the description. Also check the video I did on how to create a blog and make money. Thanks for watching. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share for other videos like this.